Hello everyone, myself Shinde YP, Department of Botany. In the last lecture, we have seen the classification of vegetables. In that, we have seen classification based on botanical classification, then classification of vegetable based on hardiness, classification of vegetable based on tolerance to soil reaction, classification of vegetable based on salt tolerance, classification of vegetable based on growing season. Then today we will start with classification of ornamental plants. In that we will see the classification based on growth habit, classification based on life cycle, classification based on leaf characteristic, and the classification based on uses. So we will start with first, that is classification based on growth habit. On the basis of growth habit, ornamental plants are classified into 5 categories, that is herbs, vines, semi-shrub, shrub and trees. First one is herb. Herbs are those in which the plant has soft stem or non-woody. Example of herbs of ornamental plants is tuberose, marigold, chrysanthemum, etc. Then vines. Vines is a new word for us. Vines, it is defined as a plant that uses neighboring plants, rocks, trees, fences, or other structure for physical support, like grapes, money plant, etc. Third is semi shrub. In that, the plants are bamboo, royal palm, etc. Then shrub, rose, night jasmine, etc. And in trees, ornamental plants like acacia, michaelia, ashoka, etc. Next is classification based on life cycle. On the basis of life cycle, ornamental plants are categorized into 3 types, that is annual, biennial and perennial. Annual plants are those plants which complete their life cycle within a single growing season or 1 year. Example of annual ornamental plants are chrysanthemum, cosmos, dianthus, etc. Then biennials. Biennials are those plants which complete their life cycle within 2 years or 2 growing season. Example of ornamental plants in biennials are tuberose, daylily, etc. And the last one is perennial. Perennials are those plants which complete or requires which survive more than 2 years. The examples of perennial plants are jasmine, gardenia, which are ornamental. Then classification based on leaf characteristic. On the basis of leaf characteristic, the plants, ornamental plants are categorized into 2 types, that is evergreen ornamental plant and deciduous ornamental plants. First one is evergreen ornamental plant. The plant which bear leaves throughout the year are known as evergreen plants. In that, the ornamental plants like thuja and orocaria means Christmas tree. Then second one is deciduous ornamental plants. The plant which shed their leaves in a particular season of the year are called as deciduous plants. The example of ornamental plant in deciduous is Delonix. Then classification of ornamental plants based on uses. On the basis of uses, the ornamental plants are classified into 5 types, that is flowering trees, ornamental trees, flowering and ornamental shrub, creepers and climbers, conifers, etc. First one is flowering ornamental trees. Example Baunia, Kadamba, etc. Then ornamental trees like eucalyptus, shirish, etc. Third is flowering and ornamental shrub. Example rose, acalypha, etc. Creepers and climbers. Climbers bougainvillea, money plant, etc. Conifers. Conifers means needle-like leaf. The plant which have needle-like leaf. Example are thuja and orocaria means Christmas tree. This was all about the classification of ornamental plants. Thank you.